Filipino spaghetti. Very yummy, tasty, favorite of the children. I hope you will enjoy joining me making our Filipino spaghetti. Welcome back to my channel, Cooking in a Siargao. In this video, I am going to share my basic Filipino spaghetti, mga cooking in and everyone. And the ingredients we need for this recipe are ground beef or minced meat, hot dogs, mushrooms, onions, garlic, butter, ground black pepper, salt, Del Monte spaghetti sauce, and of course our spaghetti pasta, mga cooking in and everyone. And let's do it together, mga cooking in and everyone. I will show you step by step my cooking of basic Filipino spaghetti. Join with me. So the procedure is, first we heat our wok pan and add our butter. Now we add our onions. And stir. The garlic and stir again. Now let's add our ground beef or minced meat. Mix it well. We add salt. Cover and let's cook for a few minutes. Now let's open and mix it again. Add the black pepper and mix it. add the hot dogs. Stir slowly. Cover and let's cook our hot dogs for another few minutes. We add our mushrooms. Mix again. Now it's time for our Filipino spaghetti sauce. Mix it together slowly and boil for a few minutes. Now our spaghetti meat sauce is ready to be plated with our spaghetti. Now let's add a lot of cheese. For joining me in my kitchen while we're making our Filipino spaghetti. Very yummy, tasty, favorite of the children. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!